Hello, everyone. Amber Irwin here, co-founder of Social Speak Network. Today in our blog, we are talking about YouTube. Now, we've been talking a lot about video marketing and how important it is to implement videos into your digital marketing strategy. And when you think of your digital marketing strategy and creating these videos and where to house them, YouTube is where you want to be. It is the second largest search engine tool today. People are more likely to watch a video than they are to read a blog post. And so with YouTube, a lot of people, this is how they're getting their information, is they go directly to YouTube, they watch videos on anything and everything from entertainment to how-tos, you name it, and it's on YouTube. So today we're talking about how you can use YouTube as a marketing tool for your business or healthcare practice. So number one, it's a great way to grow your audience. There's over 2.3 billion users worldwide on YouTube. So it is the biggest video sharing platform in the world. Well, duh, Google owns it. So of course it is. We want to make sure that we're using it the right way. So making sure that you are publishing your videos on YouTube, you are adding your keywords, you're filling out all the blanks as you're putting them on there. You're looking at, when you're creating these videos, think of as you're talking to a patient or a customer and figuring out what are they asking you? And so what would that patient be looking for when they go to YouTube to be able to find this information? So it's a great way to really get in front of new people and grow that audience. Number two, connecting with your target audience. So not only just growing it, but really honing in on that quality target market over quantity. You want to make sure as you're growing your audience that it's the right people that are either one, in the right geographical areas to be able to come into your practice. If you're doing telehealth or have online products or services, then you want to make sure it's the right type of people that are going to need your services. So YouTube is, there's over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute. So it's a competitive market. So you really need to think of, when you're uploading these videos, what is your target market looking for? And a great way to understand that is asking your current patients and customers, what are things that they search for? How can you provide more value to them that are already your patients, but then also connecting with people that are similar to your patients already? We call that a lookalike audience. How can you provide that value to be able to really make sure that you are speaking to your target audience? Number three, use this platform to show your expertise. Again, people are going to YouTube for entertainment purposes and also how to. So they are looking for quick answers to their questions. And you can have, play around with your video length. It can be a 2-minute how-to video up to a tutorial to a 30-minute interview. But this is great if you wanted to do doctor interviews on YouTube to highlight their expertise in their niche. This is great if you are a pediatrician and you want to do maybe a kids cooking show, something fun. Show your expertise around your industry and have it engage with your target market. Number four, tell your brand story. This is so important. And we know we have clients that they have gained new patients because of their brand story that they're sharing about how they started their practice, how they got involved, what is their why. And not only just the doctor that started the office, but everyone that's involved, from all the nurses to the front desk to management, really telling why is it important for your staff to work at your practice and what's their why, because this is really what's going to resonate with people when they come through those doors or when they book that online consultation. So that brand story of who you guys are is key. Number five is use video content to boost your SEO rankings. This ties back to what is your target market looking for. When you upload a video to YouTube, Google owns it. So you want to make sure that you're utilizing the right keywords within your title, within your description, within your tags, that you have a cover photo, that you are utilizing the playlists. Again, I go back to fill out the blanks. If there's an option in YouTube as you're uploading your video to add something, do it. All of these tools are only going to increase your SEO ranking for that video. And this is what people are going to be searching for. So in your tags at the bottom, enter in long tail tags, a short little phrase or between 3 and 5 words, and then enter in 1 to 2 word phrases. So using YouTube to increase your SEO is a great way to do this. And last but not least, be consistent. And again, anything that you have learned from listening to our podcast or watching our YouTube videos, it comes down to consistency. Consistency is key. That is, with digital marketing, it's not an overnight success. It is a plan of consistency, and that's what's going to help you be able to see that ROI with your digital marketing, is being consistent. If you plan on doing 1 video per week, great. If you want to do a video every day, great. Whatever you feel you can do and do it 100%, do that. And that's really where you have to decide, putting that video plan together and identifying, here's the videos I want to do, and here's how many I can commit to every week. Start with 1 a week, that's easy, and then go from there, because you may find yourself struggling to find content every week, but if you're seeing patients, you have content right there. And another thing with videos is asking patients to do a quick 1 to 2 minute testimonial. Make sure that they are okay with you putting it onto YouTube. Ask their permission. If you have a form that they can agree to and sign, even better. But make sure that, that kind of goes into that brand story. So that's a great way to be able to implement your patients into your brand story. So whatever that plan is, put it together and stick to it. And if you need help coming up with those video topics and identifying what this video strategy looks like for you and your practice and your team, let us know. You can schedule a free 30-minute consultation from our website, socialspeaknetwork.com, and we would love to talk to you about your video marketing strategy. Have a great day.